In this video we will cover how to copy, how to paste, how to cut, and also how to open the paste special dialog with shortcuts. So we add some values in one of our cells, and normally we would press right click, copy, select another cell, right click and paste. But we can use the shortcut Ctrl C to do the same and press in another cell Ctrl V to paste. So this is the same as copy, right click, select here and right click and paste. To cut, we can of course go right click and cut and right click and paste, but we can also use Ctrl C and click here and Ctrl V to paste it. Let's apply some formatting now to these cells. So we will add some fields and make it the font a bit larger. And let's now say that we wanted to copy only the values from here. Then we would take Ctrl C, and we could of course go and right click and press values here. But for this time, let's say that we only wanted to copy the formatting or some other special thing. We can bring up the paste special window, and to do that we press Ctrl Alt V, and that brings up this paste special, and we can choose if we only want formulas or formats and so on. And now we choose formats, and we can then copy also the values through here. Okay, that's it. That's how you copy, that's how you paste, that's how you cut, and how you use the paste special window. So to recap, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl X to cut, Ctrl V to paste again, and Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl Alt V to open the paste special window. Okay, thank you.